Welcome back to Air Power. My name is Roy. Thank you for joining us here at AP. Today I have a little unboxing to do. This is from Midway USA, and go get straight in on this right here. Luna is here with us today, so she might jump up here around the camera and introduce her presents. Who knows what she's ever going to do. So these are from Midway USA. A tin of the Vortex Strike. 48.60 grains, 100 pieces in 30 caliber for our Hot Blitz. The tin is a little banged up here. I don't know if the camera's picking it up very well. A little banged up here. Little bang up here, but you know, I don't know. This don't come with the little red windage strip. This one has like a clear plasticky tape kind of thing over it. It's really hard to see where it starts and where it ends. So we just have to pick at it here, try and get the thing off. Alright. The other tin I have looks like it has the same clear plasticky tape thing on it. Can't see if I got it all off. This clear stuff is a little annoying here. Now we have that clear tape crap off of here. Let's take a look at these Vortex Strikes. There's your Vortex Strikes. You may notice when you get these Vortex Strikes, they are not very high looking quality. Some of the times you'll get, if I can pick this one up, you get some of the, you get some of the skirts that don't look all that great. That was not half bad. Let's see if I can find one. There's usually a lot worse looking than that. These are actually not that bad. Some of them I have gotten, they were just bent inwards. Yeah, they're not great looking quality. But again, I've had pretty good success out of the 30 caliber Blitz with these. Not so good looking quality. They've had good accuracy. And then I have another 30 caliber round. These are 49 grains. These are called the Air Boss domed pellets. This is the first time I've ever got these or ever seen these. I do not know how well they're going to function, how accurate or not accurate they're going to be. And again, with this clear sticky tape. So Air Boss, 49 grains. Look very similar to the Vortex. So let me put one of the Vortexes in my left hand. One of these Air Bosses is in my right hand. And you take a look at that. Very similar round. The Air Boss is here. And the Vortex is here. Very similar. Looking around, this is the Vortex, this is the Air Boss. They look really similar. Except for one is 0.40 grains heavier than the other. And we're gonna go out here at, I'll let you know what the distance is when I get out here, because I actually have to measure where I am and how far back I have the chair. I'm not going to be using the bench. I'm going to be sitting in a chair and almost kind of freehand, and I'll have an elbow propped on my knee, so I'll have a little support. Let's get out here and shoot both these rounds, see how they do. Alright, we are out here this is only 17 yards. I have some backstops back here, metal plates a little higher, big tree stump, big wide. That's got to be at least a 4 or 5 foot wide tree. I mean, this thing's not going to go, it's going to hit the target anyway. Now first up, I have 6 rounds only of these Vortex. They're in the JSB marked mag. That's how I know these are the Vortex. I put them in the mag, I would remember. We are in semi. We're going to go to the left-hand side orange target first. We are shooting really high. So I'm going to bring down my point of aim, and we'll do a 5-shot group from wherever they go from there. I'm going to use some holdovers. There's your 5 shots with the Vortex. Now you got to realize that on my knee is not the sturdiest thing in the world. It's still kind of moving. So take it as it is. I do not have a bench or a bag for this to rest on. Now these are the Air Boss. I also have 6 rounds in here. We're going to go to the right hand side orange dot this time. Okay guys, it looks like our Vortex had our 5 shots here. You got 2 here and 2 here, 1 up here. And the very first one, before I adjusted my aim point, went really high. So the Vortex did good. You might as well say it's kind of offhand, even though I was resting my elbow on my knee. It was still kind of shaky. I could see the scope kind of moving back and forth in this area like this. And I was trying to pull the trigger when it come across to here, but that's what I got. And the Air Boss, you got a group right here, or 3. This one's kind of out of it, and then these 2 are down here. But the Vortex did a lot better. So let's go take this back out, cover up these holes, and use the bench. Are you guys following me? Okay guys, we're at the bench. First we're going to go with the Air Boss. This time I have a magazine full, totally full of 16 rounds. Let's see where we're going to hit. We're going to stay on the right hand side with these and see where we go. One out of that group. 1 out of that group, guys. I am not going to let's see. I'm not going to change over to the other ones just yet. We're going to switch this in full auto mode. I'm going to hold a little lower so we can see where the full auto group goes, and we're going to send the rest of this magazine. I felt it kick over on those last few coming out, so at 17 rounds, that's a full auto burst. It kind of shifted over to the right on me. There's your group with them air balls with a stabilized table. Now we're going to go back to semi, switch to our left hand side target with the Hot Sun Vortex. There's a 5-shot group with those. Now that doesn't look quite as good as the air balls. Flipped it in full auto. I'm going to hold a little lower, give you a full auto burst on that side with the Vortex. That full auto groups are just awesome, guys. There are your groups. We're not going to go in and look at those. You could obviously see that on the other camera. So, AP is out on this one.